Ads on Android don't just appear in apps. They load in the background. But one hidden setting can block ads system-wide. No apps, no root. This blocks ads across apps, browsers, and games. It also saves battery and data. And most users don't even know this exists. Open Settings. Go to Network or Connections. More connection settings. Tap Private DNS. Select Private DNS Provider Hostname. Enter dns.adguard.com. Tap Save. This blocks ads at the network level. That means ads are blocked before they even load on your phone. This works on Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, Realme, Pixel, and almost every Android phone. Some banking or government apps may stop loading ads completely. If any app doesn't connect, just turn private DNS back to automatic. If you want more Android tips like this, subscribe. I share real settings that actually work. One setting: system-wide ad blocking. No extra apps. Subscribe for more hidden Android tricks.